Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drain pump seal in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. Detach the venting from the dryer. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Remove the end of the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Secure the washer lid with tape. Now carefully tip the appliance back so it rests on its rear panel. Use the 5/16" nut driver or socket to unthread the 3 drain pump mounting screws to release the pump from the tub. If still intact, remove the old pump seal. To install the new pump seal, slide it over the inlet port. Then reposition the pump on the tub. Rethread the 3 mounting screws. Return the laundry center to its upright position. Reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.